the simultaneous equations. So x minus 2y equals 3 and x squared minus y squared plus 2x equals 10. So in order to get this to work, we're going to have to get either an x equals or a y equals and then substitute it in. And the obvious one is that x minus 2y equals 3. So let's make that x equals, and we'll add 2y onto both sides. So we get 2y plus 3. Now we're going to put that into wherever there's an x. So we're going to say 2y plus 3 squared minus y squared plus 2y plus 3 equals 10. So now we've only got y's in the equation. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do 2y plus 3, 2y plus 3, and we're going to get 4y squared plus 6y plus 6y plus 9. And so now we're going to write this out. So we've got 4y squared and plus 6y is plus 12y plus 9. I'm going to put that back in a bracket. Minus y squared and then plus 4y plus 6, and then I'm going to take off the 10 equals 0, because to solve a quadratic you need one side to be 0. So now we've got these two y squareds. So we've got 4y squared minus y squared, so that's 3y squared. Then in terms of y's, we've got plus 12y plus 4y, so that's plus 16y. Then we've got plus 9 plus 6, so that's plus 9 plus 6 is 15, minus 10 leaves us with plus 5. Now, in order to get the answer to this, I'm going to do 3 times 5, which is 15. And so our answer has to times to 15 and add to 16. Well, that's 15 and 1. So that's plus 15 plus 1. So we'll say 3y squared plus 15y plus y plus 5 equals 0. So let's find out, let's just separate that down the middle and factorise 3y squared plus 15y is 3y, y plus 5, and then we'd say plus 1, y plus 5 equals 0. And so the answer is that y is going to be 3y plus 1 and y plus 5 equals 0. No, and then so 3y plus 1 equals 0. So take off 1 from both sides, and y equals minus 1 over 3. And then y plus 5 equals 0, so y equals negative 5. So we've almost done it all. So if we know that x minus, and then that would be 2 times minus 1/3 equals 3. Good Lord, that looks actually quite hard. So x plus 2/3 equals 3. So that means that x equals, let's just make all this into thirds. So x plus 2/3 equals 9/3, because 3 over 1 is 9 over 3. So x equals 7/3. So x minus 2, yeah, that's fine. And then x minus 2 times, what's that, minus 5? Minus 5 equals 3. So x, and that's going to be plus 10 equals 3. So x equals minus 7.